Nervous moments for the team manager of the UAE national team. I think he hasn't taken a seat the entire game. Dreams of Kuwait in his hands. Ali Nasir. He goes big and muscles it over. A timely blow from Meet Bafsar.
Bit Fuller shaping up to go big and good connection between bat and ball. What matters are the match.
He pulled this off. Change in the field. Mid on drops deep. Long on, deep mid wicket, deep square. Mid off in the circle. Sweeper cover and deep third. He's nailed it! It's a six!
He's in a mood here. He's on a roll. He's on a fire. The Meet back of length delivery
Going to be an action replay in the Gulf Cricket Championship final. Round the wicket, Junaid Siddiqui. He's hit it big. Long leg. He's dropped it. And it might have gone for six. Oh dear me, what's happening? Hit aerial. Genuine top edge. It was in the air for an absolute age. Reverse cup, missed. And it's a 4. 18 needed of 8.
partnership.
He goes for it again. This could be a catch. It's gone over for 6. He's palmed it over. A roar from the Kuwaiti dugout. They're back in the game.
Yasin Patel joins the party and he has been helped by the fielders of UAE. Here now the substitute fielder Haider Shah, what have you done? Another opportunity gone begging. Poor effort.
Full toss. He's whacked it over point. Back-to-back boundaries. They've taken 14 runs off 3 balls.
What an over. Everything is possible, Ahmed.
Can he do it? Flicked in the air. Square leg is in the circle. It's gonna go. Is it a 6? 1 bounce. 4 runs.
Meet is in a mood to meet the glory. Champion player shuffling across, playing with the field. Clever manipulation of the field by Meet Bafsar. That using those wrists. Brilliant hit under pressure. Getting those runs for his team. 100.
Square leg deep, but is it too late? Leading edge. It's a catch at point. Meet Bafsar will depart. Another twist in the tail. UAE are back in it, and he is absolutely crushed. What a knock, but he has to depart.
Twist and Bollywood suspense thriller. What a comeback. One more time. They're back in the hunt. Easy catch and small win.
You have played a knock for the ages, and you are on the doorstep of history.
Number 77. Remember this jersey number. It's Meet Bafsar of Kuwait.
Shafiq will face 3 needed of 4. 1 delivery. Bowled him! UAE have done it! UAE take the title! Mohammad Jawadullah knocks him over! UAE snatch victory from defeat! UAE are the new Gulf Cup champions! What a match! What a finale! Dreams created and dreams crushed! Hard luck to Kuwait, but its celebrations in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai, in Sharjah, in Ajman, they've done it at home, at the Dubai International.
What an over from Jawadullah. From a strong position, they have lost it final, and I feel for this boy, the young boy, but the hero of the night is